We are pleased to show you the 2022 Blazer. Chevrolet Blazer is fun to drive around town, comfortable to ride in, and decently capable off-road. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, lane departure warning, remote engine start, power lift gate, backup camera, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, stability control, traction control. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.